Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add widgets to your home screen on iPhone Air. To add widgets to your home screen, you will need to actually begin by pressing and holding anywhere on the screen to enter edit mode. You can see I already have two widgets, but let's not mind them. Let's just go to a fresh page to add our own widgets. Now let's click on edit and click on add widget. Now you can select what widget you'd like to add. And there are multiple ones. There are some suggestions, but also you can just go into a certain app and see a widget of that certain app. So let's first add something simple like our contacts. I think contacts will give us quite a lot of info. You can see we have different types of contact widgets. I'll add this one. Let's click on add widget. And now you can resize it if you want to make it the different size. Okay, I can't really size it down for some reason, but yeah, I can click on it while in editing mode and change what contacts I have here. Let's replace this one with another one, just like that. Then when you're done, click on done and you have the widget. If you want to remove it, enter edit mode again and click on minus in the top left corner, then click on remove. Now I'm gonna add a widget stack. Widget stack lets you have multiple widgets in one place. When you click on edit, click on add widget, then you can find widget smart stack. And then select the size that you feel is appropriate. I'll select this one. Click on add widget. And now if you want to customize it, click on it. You can slide across different widgets that you have here. You can remove them. I'm gonna remove them all together so I can add my own ones. Let's remove all of them, as I said. And now I'll add new widgets. To do it, click on plus and now select a widget that you'd like to add. I think maybe not the status. I like the clock. Let's add it. Of course, that can be also customized. When you click on it, you can change the cities. Let's click on plus and let's add another one, like for example the App Store recommendations. Then click on plus and let's add maybe two more reminders and plus and add the last one like weather. Weather is gonna be great. Now when we have all of these, you can enable or disable Smart Rotate. Smart Rotate will automatically rotate between the widgets based on what it thinks is the most relevant to you right now. You can also enable or disable widget suggestions, so it'll add additional widgets that aren't here on the list, just occasionally. Now let's click on done and let's click on done. Now we have the widget stack and we can just slide across different widgets to find what we need to learn the most. And that's basically it for the widgets. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.